In Chapter 28 of To Kill a Mockingbird, Scout, Jem, and Dill prepare to attend Maycomb's annual Halloween pageant. Scout will be in the pageant, and Jem has agreed to take her there and back. She will be dressed as a ham for her role, which ends up saving her from potential harm later on in the chapter. The children walk to the school on a dark and eerily quiet night. The schoolyard is full of joyful children in costumes, but the festive mood does not last. After her lackluster performance in the pageant, she falls asleep and misses her cue. Scout is embarrassed and spends a while with Jem backstage, hoping the audience will disperse and fewer people will witness her shame. The setting becomes tense and foreboding as Scout and Jem walk home through the darkness. Suddenly, they hear someone following them. They initially assume it's Cecil Jacobs trying to scare them, but before they realize it's not, they are attacked. Scout doesn't see much of the attack due to the confines of her costume, but she hears scuffles and screeching and feels powerful arms lift her and squeeze her. Eventually, the assailant is pulled away from her, she doesn't know by whom, and the next thing she knows, she's being walked home, and her attacker is lying dead under a tree nearby. Throughout the chapter, Scout is rather oblivious to the danger she and Jem were in, thinking of her awkward performance more than the threat lurking in the dark. The chapter ends on a note of suspense and dread. The identity of their attacker is not yet revealed, though the reader might suspect it was Bob Ewell, who had earlier threatened Atticus for disgracing him in court. The chapter ends with Scout safe at home, but Jem's condition unseen as Scout, still in her ham costume, is unable to see.